Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Baking and Wellness. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make oat milk. Oat milk has been very popular recently, but it can be expensive to get at the grocery store. So today I'm going to show you how to make easy, super delicious and healthy oat milk at home. And the best part is that it is way cheaper than store-bought. Let's start. These are the ingredients you will need. 1 cup of gluten-free rolled oats, 4 cups of cold water, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and sweetener of choice like maple syrup, stevia or monk fruit. This is optional. Start by soaking 1 cup of gluten-free rolled oats in water and leave them soaking overnight. The next day rinse the oats thoroughly with cold water. You can make oat milk without soaking the oats, but soaking helps the starches break down and reduces the natural phytic acid, which helps your body utilize the oats nutrients much more efficiently. I find that rolled oats make the milk creamier than quick cooking oats. Also make sure you get gluten-free because packaged oats can be highly cross-contaminated with wheat. If you buy organic oats, it is even better so they're not sprayed with herbicides, pesticides, and glyphosate. Next, add the oats to a blender, then add 4 cups of cold water. Make sure it's cold, this will help reduce the slimy texture in the milk when blending. Now I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This is totally optional, but I find that it adds a nice flavor. You can also add any sweetener of choice like maple syrup, stevia, or monk fruit. I like it unsweetened. Now we're going to blend everything together for about 30 to 40 seconds. Do not overblend because the heat from the blaze can make the milk slimy, and this is what we're trying to avoid. After the oat milk has blended, you'll want to strain it. Get a nut milk bag and a large bowl. Add the oat milk to the bag and squeeze gently until all the milk is out and you're left with the oat pulp. You can save the pulp for some delicious oat cookies. Finally, store the milk in a glass container and keep it in the fridge. Oat milk can last you up to a week. Now you have homemade delicious oat milk ready to enjoy. It's super easy to make, it is vegan friendly, and way cheaper than store-bought. I love adding it to my coffee in the morning, it's my favorite way to drink it. Oat milk has definitely become a staple in my house. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more healthy recipes.